I heard a story about a man who opened up a business, and he decided that he wanted to give job opportunities to people that usually were not hired by other businesses. So he put an ad in the newspaper, and he said he was willing to accept people that have small disorders, including obsessive compulsive disorder. On the second day, one day after he put it in, there were more than 1,000 people that answered his ad, and they were all the same person. All of us are a little bit compulsive, and the reason is very simply that we want to repeat what we do because it's difficult for us to accept change. It's difficult for us to accept surprises. 3 times a year, all the Jewish people went to the Holy Temple. What did they see in the Holy Temple? It says that they saw God and that God saw them. What does it mean that they saw God? They saw that they were being created by God. Now, God never changes. On the other hand, everything that God creates always changes. So if a person is genuinely connected to God, the source of life, so he enjoys changes, he can flow with life. He doesn't get stuck in one place. That's why Judaism is based on going out of Egypt. The Jews were stuck in Egypt. They had the same routine every day, and they got used to it. 4 generations of Jews. And suddenly came along Moses, and he said, surprise, I'm taking everybody out. And the Midrash even says that 4/5 of the Jewish people didn't even want to leave Egypt. They didn't leave Egypt. And after they left, they wanted to go back because it's very, very hard, difficult to accept change. But that's human. The essence of a human being is that we can adapt and we can accept change and we can even utilize change and see the blessings in change. We can see the godliness in change. We can see the holy temple which is within each and every change in the world. And that's why we're here in the world, to put unity into diversity. The unity of God, the creator of all being, to feel in every detail of his creation, at every moment. That's exactly what Moshiach is going to do. He'll be a person just like Moses, but Moses took the Jews out of Egypt. Moshiach will take the Egypt out of the Jews. He'll take our desire to resist change and to the ability and the desire to live in God's world, a world that's constantly surprising us and constantly improving. That's why we need Moshiach now.